Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be making white rice. And fun fact, I did not know that jasmine rice existed until I married my husband and went over to his mom's house, and she was making this rice that I'm going to show you right now. The ingredients we're going to need for this recipe are 2 cups of jasmine rice, some vegetable oil, fresh garlic, frozen peas and carrots, salt, and water. We're going to start off by cleaning our rice. We're going to rinse it off a couple times until the water comes clear. Now that our rice is nice and clean, we're going to just allow it to sit and drain. While the rice is draining, we're going to grab our garlic clove, and I'm going to get about 5 garlic teeth. And I'm just going to open them up by smashing so they're easier to peel. I'm going to cut any of these burnt pieces off. Now that our garlic is open, we're going to get our blending cup. Feel free to use a regular blender. I happen to have this cup. We're going to add the garlic, add 2 teaspoons of salt, and drinking water. Now we're going to transfer everything over to the blender. We're going to blend the garlic and water until everything is liquefied. Now it's time for the rice. We're going to grab our favorite rice pan. We're going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, vegetable oil, and we're going to essentially fry our rice. We just want to get every piece of grain coated in a little bit of oil so that our rice doesn't stick together. Since I've used 2 cups of rice, we're going to use 3 cups of liquid. I'm going to get my measuring cup and my liquefied garlic, and we're going to add 3 cups of liquid. I almost had enough. I had to add a little bit of water. used 1 cup of peas and carrots, and I'm bringing the heat up to medium-high. We want to allow the rice to come to a almost boil, and then we're going to lower the heat and cook it for 15 minutes. Since we have 15 minutes, let's go enjoy some of these beautiful flowers. We are now back. It's been 15 minutes and the rice looks perfect. What we're gonna do now is put the lid back on, turn the heat off, and allow it to rest for another 5 to 10 minutes. And just like that, guys, it's ready to eat. Go ahead and make this recipe tonight and let me know how it turns out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day. Until next time, bye.